So today's topic is called chemical combination. Let's start. The topic is called chemical combination. So chemical combination happens when elements aim to attain an octet state. Of course, we know when two elements combine together, the result form is called compounds. So before we proceed, let's look at the reason why elements combine with each other. Elements don't just combine with each other. They have reason for combining. They want to attain what we call octet or duplet electronic structure. That is why element combines. So let's look at element like neon. Let's look at element like neon. The atomic number of neon is 10. Electronic configuration of neon is 2.8.2. 2.8 is the electronic configuration of neon. So 8 is the atmosphere of neon, which is exactly 8. So that is why neon is not reactive. Neon, these are noble what? Example of noble what? Gases. Argon is another example. Argon is another example. So let's proceed. So now, let's proceed. When magnesium reacts with chlorine, it's going to give us magnesium chloride. When magnesium reacts with chlorine, the result is magnesium chloride, which is the product. Now, let's balance the reaction before any other thing. Magnesium is 1, chlorine is 2, chlorine is 2. Now, have you ever wondered why are we having 2 here? Why 2? Why not just Cl, which is chlorine? Why not just Cl, which is chlorine? Now, this is how it is. Chlorine is not stable. This is chlorine, 2.8.7. Chlorine is not stable. It combines with another chlorine atom. Chlorine plus chlorine is going to give you, this is the atom of chlorine that is very stable. This is the one that is stable. So why? This is the one that is stable. And why is it stable? Let's go and draw the structure. Now, first share takes a maximum of 2. Second share takes a maximum of what? Of 8. But there's 8 there already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the last share, we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should not forget, remaining 1 electron, this is 2.8.7. So remaining 1 electron for chlorine to what? To attain an octet state. Remaining 1 electron. So this one will combine with another chlorine atom. The first share takes a maximum of 2. Second share takes a maximum of what? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this is the first share, which is the K share. This is L share, this is M share. Now, the third share will also take a maximum of 8, but we have what? We have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is something that is common for between these two atoms of chlorine. 2.8.7 is 2.8.7. 2.8.7. So 7 here, both of them are looking for one atom to attain an octet state. So they will combine together. Let's bring out the M share out. This is the M share for this, and this is the M share for this. This is empty for the other one. Nucleus, nucleus. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last electron will enter. Then this start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last electron comes here. So that is why it becomes, we should not forget, this is chlorine, this is chlorine. Now, combined gives chlorine. That is why we have 2 atoms of chlorine. That's why we have 2 atoms of chlorine there. So this chlorine, Cl2, is very stable, unlike Cl. This is very stable in air. So this is the form at which chlorine combines. So now let's look at when sodium reacts with chlorine, it's going to give us what? Sodium chloride. When sodium reacts with chlorine, it's going to give us sodium chloride. Now, sodium is what? Let's balance the reaction. It's going to give sodium chloride. We should not forget, when sodium ionizes, it's going to give us 6 plus 1 minus 1. So now, minus 1 comes over here, plus 1 goes the other way. In mathematics, we know 1 times x is equal to x, right? We know this. So with that, anything times 1 is the same. So it's going to give us what? Sodium what? Chloride. It's going to give us what? Sodium chloride. Now, that is just the beginning. So, like what I said earlier, the reason why elements combine is that they want to attain a state whereby the atomos share will be exactly 8 electrons or 2 electrons, and this is as a result of either by subtraction, either by gain of electron, or by losing of electron, as the case may be. It depends on the element. It depends on the element. Let's look at how ammonia is formed. When nitrogen reacts with hydrogen, nitrogen gas reacts with nitrogen, is going to give us what? Ammonia. Ammonia is a gas. So now let's proceed. What next? Let's balance our reaction. Nitrogen has 2 atoms here. Nitrogen has 1. So 2 comes here. So now the reaction is balanced now for nitrogen. Reaction is balanced for nitrogen. Let's go with hydrogen. Hydrogen is 2 times 3 is 6. So reaction is balanced for hydrogen, 6 here. So automatically we have 1 more of nitrogen combined with 3 more of what? Of hydrogen to produce 2 more of what? Ammonia. To produce 2 more of what? Ammonia. To produce 2 more of what? Of ammonia. Now, let's look at what happened in respect of ammonia, in respect to nitrogen. What is the atomic number? Why do we have 2 here? What is the atomic number of nitrogen? It's 7. Nitrogen Nitrogen, symbol N, has atomic number what? Has atomic number what? 7. So nitrogen will not be 2 dot what? 5. Nitrogen have 2 dot what? 2.5. So that is why you see when nitrogen will say, wow, I am looking for 3 electrons for me to attain an octet state. So you see that's why you see something like -3. Nitrogen borrows 3 electrons. Let's go with calcium. What is the atomic number of calcium? Is 20. This is calcium. Atomic number 20. This is symbol of calcium. It gives us 2.8 dot what? 8 plus 8 16 7 18 let's say 20. So we have 4 electrons at the atmosphere. We have 4 electrons at the atmosphere. Eight plus 8 16. Magnesium is 20. Calcium is 20. Calcium is 20. So we have 2.8 dot. So we have 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 2 electrons at the atmosphere of calcium. So basically what happened, calcium would like to give her these 2 electrons. Calcium would love to give her these 2 electrons, which should not be first electron takes 2, second electron takes a maximum of 8, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then the third electron with M takes a maximum of 8, but 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The last one take 8 too. There's 8 electrons in the atom in the third shell. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have the last shell, which is the fourth shell. You should not forget K, L, M, and N. So now the last shell, which is N shell, we have 2 electrons. We have 2 electrons. So calcium tends to give her 2 electrons. It becomes give her 2 electrons, which is calcium is solid, gives